How to write 0.6375 as a fraction in simplest form? So we need numerator and denominator. For numerator, just keep this decimal, write the number you are getting. And for denominator, for every digit after decimal, you have to consider 10 as a multiplication. Fourth digit, write 410 as a multiplication. To simplify this fraction, we need to divide numerator and denominator by the greatest common factor in one step. If you want to simplify this fraction in one step, then you need to divide numerator and denominator by the greatest common factor of divisor. But if you want to simplify this fraction in multiple steps, then you can divide numerator and denominator by the common factor. This is divisible by 5 as it has the digit 5 at the last. This is divisible by 5 because it has the digit 0 last. So I will get 2, and if I divide this by 5, what I'll get? 5 goes into 63. How many times? 12 times. 12 times 5, 60. And 3 will come here. 37. 5 times 7, 35. 2, 5 goes into 25, 5. So we are getting 1275. Again, this is divisible by 5. This is divisible by 5. I'll get 2 here. And I will get 5 goes into 12. 2 times 10, 2, 7. 5 goes into 27, 5 times 5, 25, subtract 25, 255. Okay, again this is divisible by 5, this is divisible by 5. I will get 2. I will get what? 5 goes into 25, 5 times, then bring down this 5 goes into 5 one times. So we are getting 51 divided by 2 times 2 times 2, 8 times 10. 51 divided 8 times 180. 51 is a prime number. It has only two factors, 51 and 1. You will not get any two number between 1 and 51 that if you multiply that produce 51. If you get one prime number either in numerator or denominator, you are done.